Staying healthy at home is easy. Here's the right way to do mountain climbers with tips from our physios. Mountain climbers are great for building cardio endurance, core strength, and agility. As you perform the move, your shoulders, arms, and chest work to stabilize your upper body, while your core stabilizes the rest of your body. Get into a plank position or lean on the edge of the sofa, making sure you distribute your weights evenly between your hands and your toes. Check that your hands are about shoulder width apart. Keep your back flat, abs engaged, and head in alignment. Put your right knee into your chest as far as you can, then switch, pulling that knee out and bringing the other knee in. Keeping your hips down, run your knees in and out as far and as fast as you can. Alternate inhaling and exhaling with each leg change. If mountain climbers are too hard, you can plank on the floor or lean on the edge of your bed or sofa. If you're looking to push yourself, wear a backpack while doing mountain climbers. Record how many you can do in 60 seconds and aim to beat this the next time. Stay healthy and take care.